But I was starving, not regular hungry. I'm talking... If this food doesn't arrive in 6 minutes, I will start chewing on my phone, hungry. Then, I opened the bag, and I saw it. Not wings, not glorious, spicy, crispy wings. No, it was tofu. Plain, sad, soggy tofu. My heart left my body. I reread the receipt as if it were a breakup text. I even shook the bag hoping wings would fall out. So I had two options, call and complain, or accept my fate and try tofu for the first time since that one traumatic vegan party in 2017. And you know what? It was not terrible. It was kind of good, like a healthy betrayal, the kind that makes you rethink your whole identity. Therefore, I learned something. Sometimes life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you need to try. Wings feed the craving, but tofu fed the growth. What is the moral of the story? Don't let a mix-up ruin your mood. It might just be the meal that changes you.